Today I'm going to show you how to embroider the back stitch. To start, bring your needle up at the beginning of your design and make a straight stitch. Then come back the stitch length away and pull your needle up through the fabric. And go back down to the hole from the previous stitch. So, come up again the length away and come back down to the same hole. Repeat those sections until the end of your design, making sure your stitch's length is fairly even. This stitch works very well on lettering or outlining your designs. If you have a small and especially the round pattern, I advise you to do small stitches so the shape will be more smooth. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel to see my next embroidery tutorials.